I don't got any cash. You're gonna pay me. All right, so we're back home. My brother's welding over there, and I didn't tell him yet, but he's gonna be getting paid in gum today. This is all the metal we got. I got square tubing, got some angle iron. This is all the old part right there. So yeah, measuring it up, gonna be welding it in. All right, get to work. Be back for an update. Peace.
The thing is, you just want it to be all reinforced, right?
Yeah.
Because it's not going to be sitting directly on that corner. It's going to be like that.
Butted up, exactly. Hell yeah. Well, everything's going to be covered as long as it's reinforced, and we add the piece that was cut out, and it's thicker metal too. So yeah, we got the assistant over there. Right? Are you the supervisor?
The supervisor.
So we just got all this angle iron fixed as well. Well, not we, but he. That's my little brother, Cody. And he's only 18, dude. And he's fucking welding up some badass shit already. All self-taught. He did go to school for a little bit, but dude, I am so proud of him. Look at all this shit that he's doing for me. But he doesn't know that I'm paying him in gum, so. You're done or what? Yeah. What's up, guys? So this is my brother Cody. He's probably going to be in a lot more future videos helping me out with this build on other little trinkets and stuff like that. But yeah, this is it. He reinforced the entrance for the trailer. So we got this part, this part, this part, and this part all reinforced. Over here, the angle iron under there. Yeah, he did some spots over here, but this was the worst of it. All that was the worst of it. So yeah, hell yeah. We got to get the flooring. We got to get the wiring done. But what do you want for your payment?
45 an hour.
45 an hour. How many hours you got in?
10.
10? What's that?
450.
450? All right. I can't pay you 450. But look, come here. This is what I got for you. I don't got any cash,
Box of gum.
but I'm gonna pay you in gum.
Where'd you get all this?
No, everything's a joke, guys. I'm gonna pay him his money. I appreciate it a lot, but that's a lot of gum.
That's
Yeah.
a lot of gum.
Hell yeah! So yeah, we got this all said and done. Now we just gotta treat it. This is all the paint. We're gonna silicone all the gaps. These are for the bigger gaps and stuff like that. So yeah, that's gonna be on the next video. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Y'all just remember, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you all in the future. Later.